Modern School. So in the previous videos we have just done up to the example number 24, and I have given you exercise 4C question number 4 in your homework. Sorry, not question number 4, I think question number 3. Question number 3 I have given you in your homework. So first of all, let us count any of the two sums from that. So from question number 4C, exercise 4C, question number 3. From that we will do first, that is D, that is minus 3 7 upon 7 plus minus 2 upon 3, this one, and the another one, that is G, minus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 5. So let us solve this both sum one by one. So here in exercise 4.3 question number 3, first of all we have to find the sum of this. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all we have to take it out with the minus sign. Okay, so minus sign, first of all minus 3 upon 7 minus plus minus minus, that is minus 2 by 3. Okay, we have just take it out the minus sign out of the bracket. Then after next step, what will be our next step? First of all, do it by yourself. We have to take the LCM. I am giving you the hint. You have to take the LCM. First of all, take it out the LCM by pause your video and just take it out LCM. I am just giving you 10 seconds. And then after, when you just take it out LCM, then play the video back. So here, our LCM, that is 7 and 3. So our LCM will be first of all 3, 7 as it is, and 3 ones are 3. Then after 7, so our LCM will be 7 into 3, that is 21. 7 3s are 21 is our LCM. So now we have to just do like this. What should be multiplied by 7? So we will get 21. So 3, yes, then we have to multiply 3 in the numerator also, then after minus sign. Here, what should be multiplied by 3? Then we will get 21, that is 7. So here you have to multiply by 7. Okay, now our next step, we just multiply and write the answer. That is minus 3 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9, but minus 9 upon 21. Then after again, here it is minus, so minus 7 2s are 14 upon 21. Here, now you can see the denominator is same. Okay, now another step, that is 21. Okay, minus 9 minus 14. Okay, this is our another step. And now our answer will be minus minus plus what? Minus minus plus. So 9 plus 14, that is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that is 23 upon 21 is your answer. But here minus minus plus, but the sign will remain minus. Okay, minus minus it will be plus, but the sign will remain minus only. So please write down this. Here I am just drawing a box so you know that this is a LCM. Okay, now moving towards our next sum, that is over here. So in that, first of all we have to take it out the minus sign out of the bracket, that is minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 5. minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 5. So let us take it out. First of all, LCM of 6 and 5. 6, 5. Okay. Then here starting with 2. 2 3s are 5 as it is. Then 3 1s are 5 as it is. Then 5 1s are 5. Okay. So our LCM, that is 2 into 3 into 5. That is 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. So our LCM is 30. Now here, what should be multiplied by 6? Then we will get what? 30. Then I will say 6 5s are 30. Then we have to also multiply this 5 on the numerator side. Okay. Then after here is plus sign, so plus, and 1 upon 5 is there. And what should be multiplied by 5? Then we will get 30. That is 6. 5 6 are 30. Okay. Now just minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5 upon 6 5s are 30, plus minus 1 into 6, that is 6 upon 5 6 are 30. So here you can see our denominator, that is 30. Okay, our denominator, that is 30, which is common, and so we will write like this, and here minus 5 plus 6. Here it is minus 5 and plus 6. So minus plus, that is minus. Minus plus, that is minus. So 6 minus 5, that is 1. So our answer is 1 by 30. Our answer is 1 by 30. Now, but here it will be plus 1. Why? Because you can see minus 5 plus 6. Here, which is bigger number, 6 or 5? 6 is bigger number. So you can see beside the 6 it is plus sign. So here it will be plus sign. If the plus sign was in 5 and minus sign was in 6, then here it was minus, then we have to put here minus. The bigger the number with the bigger number, that sign which have, that we have to put over here. Okay, moving forward and seeing the subtraction of rational number, our new topic. Before that, you just write down this. Okay, now moving towards subtraction of rational number. So subtraction of rational number. Subtraction of rational number. Rational number. Okay. So here we have seen, as we have done addition of rational numbers, in that way we know how to subtract. So we will just subtract. Here there is an example number 25, that is subtract 3 by 8 from 5 by 8. Example number 25, that is subtract 3 by 8 from 8 by 5. Sorry, 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Okay, we have to subtract this. So we know that it is 3 by 8 is to be subtracted from 5 by 8. So what we will write, that is 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Why? Because 3 by 8 from 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. So don't get confused. Here you can see now the LCM of this means the denominators are both same. So what we will do? We will do directly, that is 8 and 5 minus 3. 8, 5 minus 3. Why? Because the denominators are same. If it is different, then we have to take the LCM. Okay. So 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 8. Okay, that is 2 by 8, and we can also write 2 4s are 8. So your answer can also be 1 by 4 or 2 by 8. Both the answers are correct. And moving towards our next example, that is example number 26. Example number 26. The question is minus 6 upon 11 from minus 6 upon 11 from 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay. So we have to subtract minus 6 upon 11 from what? 3 by 4. So what we will write? 3 by 4 minus of 6 by 11. See here, don't get confused between this sign. We have to subtract, and here is already given minus. So you have to first of all put it into the bracket. Why? Because we have to subtract, so we have to put in the bracket. Here is already given the minus sign, so we will put in the bracket minus 6 by 11, and we have to subtract. So here it will be minus sign. So first of all, removing the minus sign from the bracket, that is 3 by 4 minus plus 6 by 11. Okay, here you can see now both the denominators are not same. So what we will do? We will take the LCM. So taking the LCM of 4 and 11, that is 2 2 the 4 and 11 as it is, 2 1 the 2, 11 1 the 11. Okay, so our LCM will be 2 into 2 into 11, that is 44. Okay, that is 44 is our LCM. Now see here, 3 by 4 into how much? Okay, 3 by 4, that means 4 is multiplied by how much? Then we will get 44 answer, that is 11. So we have to multiply here with also 11, and 11 should be multiplied by what? Then we will get 44, that is 4. Here also 4. Now 3 11s are 33, 4 11s are 44, plus 6 4s are 24, 11 4s are 44. Okay. Now you know that how to solve. So start solving by yourself. That is 44 will remain as it is. Why? Because the denominator is same. And 33 plus 24. So 33 plus 24, that is 57. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 44 as it is. So our answer is 57 by 44. Okay, students. And here it is given in the mixed fraction. Okay, so this can also be converted into mixed fraction like this. See here, I am just doing that. So 44 is to be divided by 57. So first of all, 44 ones are 44, and here 7 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. So remainder is 13. So this can be written as 1, 13 remainder above, and 44. Okay, this we have convert improper fraction to the mixed fraction. Okay students, both the answer will be correct. Please write down this one. And moving towards the example number 27. Example number 27. The question is 3 by 7 from 3 by 7 from 3 by 7 from minus 4 by 9. Okay, 3 by 7 from minus 4 by 9. So what we have to subtract? 3 by 7 from what? Minus 4 by 9. So minus 4 by 9 minus. This we will not write in bracket. Why? Because here is no minus sign. So it will be 3 by 7. Okay. Now, first of all, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM. So taking the LCM of 9 and 7. 9 and 7, that is 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. The 7 will remain as it is, and 7 1s are 7. So here your LCM is 3 into 3 into 7. That will be 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63 is your LCM. Okay, 63 is your LCM. Now here minus 4 upon 9 into, and here minus 3 by 7. So what should be multiplied by 9? Then we will get 63, that is 7. So here also we have to multiply with 7, and 7 into how much? That is 63, that is 9. So here also we have to multiply with 9. Now moving forward, you can see minus 4 into 7, that is minus 28 upon 63. 7 4s are 28, but the sign will remain minus. And here also the minus sign is the 9 3s are 27 upon 63. Okay. Now here it will be minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So here first of all 63 minus 28 minus 27. So minus minus it will be plus, but the sign will remain minus, that is minus upon 63 will be answer. So minus 28 minus 27. So 28 plus 27 is equal to how much? 8 plus 7, 15. Okay, 1 over here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, please write down the answer, students. Now, moving towards exercise 4C, question number 4. Exercise 4C, question number 4. From that, I will do any of the two. Question number 4C. Sorry, exercise 4C. Question number 4. Okay. So from that we will do is, that is C. That is minus 4 by 7 from minus 6 by 7. This first, let us do this. So here minus 4 by 7 is to be minus from minus 6 by 7. So minus 6 upon 7. Here minus, here you can see minus of minus 4 by 7. Okay, here it is minus sign, so we have to put this into the bracket. Why? Because we have to subtract and the sign will change. So first of all, let us change the sign. That is minus 6 by 7 minus minus plus 4 by 7. Okay, now here you can see the denominators are same, so 7 and minus 6 plus 4 is there. So minus plus minus 6 minus 4, that is 2. But which is bigger number, 4 or 6? 6 is bigger number. So besides 6, which sign is there? Minus. So your answer will be minus 2 upon 7 is your answer. Please note down. And the another sum of exercise 4C, question number 4, that is F. So F, that is 2 by 5 that is 2 by 5 from minus 4 by 15. 2 by 5 from minus 4 by 15. So let us do that. So 2 by 5 from minus 4 by 15. So minus 4 by 15 minus. Here is no minus sign, so it will not be written in bracket. So here you can see both the denominators are different. So first of all, what we have to take? We have to take the LCM, that is 15, 5 here. So first of all, it will work with 3. 3 5 are 15 and 5 as it is, and at last 5 1s are 5, and here also 5 1s are 5. So our LCM, that is 3 into 5, that is 15. Okay, that is 15. So in this point, what we will do is minus 4 by 15 into how much? And minus 2 by 5 into how much? Here you can see, here is already 15 and we want 15. So 15 1s are 15, 4 1s are 4. Okay, here is also 1. So 5 3s are 15 and here also 3. Okay students, now moving forward, minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4 by 15 minus 2 3 2s are 6 upon 50. So here you can see the denominators are same. So minus 15 will be there, minus 4 minus 6. So here minus minus plus, so 4 plus 6, that is 10. But the sign will remain minus. Okay, and you can also write this as 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So minus 2 by 3. Okay, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. You can write this. So please note down this, and today's homework is Question 4, sorry, exercise 4C. Question number 4 and 5. Okay, that you have to try. And from question number 5, exercise 4C, cut. Question number 5, F. Only one. Question number 5F, we don't have to do that. Okay students, and we will meet in the next video. Bye students.